Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about Achilles tendonitis absolute best exercises and stretches. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. If you have Achilles tendonitis or inflammation of your Achilles tendon, you can do stretches to help recovery. Achilles tendonitis is usually caused by intense and excessive physical activity. Symptoms include tightness, weakness, discomfort, and limited range of motion. Sometimes, Achilles tendonitis is called Achilles tendinopathy, but the two conditions aren't the same. Achilles tendinopathy is the degeneration and damage of collagen in the tendon. It develops when Achilles tendonitis becomes chronic. Other conditions that can affect the area include Achilles tendonitis, or microtears in the tendon, and an Achilles tendon rupture, a partial or complete tear. These conditions are more likely to develop if Achilles tendonitis isn't treated. To speed up healing and improve mobility, try these Achilles tendon stretches we are going to be sharing with you in this video. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Here are 7 of the best Achilles stretches to help you recover faster. Number 7. Toe-to-wall stretch. The toe-to-wall stretch is ideal if the runner's stretch makes your shoulders uncomfortable. It places less pressure on the upper body. Like the runner's stretch, this exercise helps mobility by reducing stress on the Achilles tendon. Follow these steps with the leg that's causing discomfort. Stand facing the wall and place your toes up and against the wall. The higher you place your toes, the deeper the stretch. Lean forward, keeping your heel on the floor. Your other leg is behind you, toes forward and heel on the ground. Hold for 30 seconds. Complete 3 reps. Number 6. Heel drop. Another Achilles tendon stretch is the heel drop. You can do it on a staircase or stepladder. If you want to use a stepladder, make sure it's locked in position. Achilles tendon damage is common. It can be painful and make it difficult to exercise or even walk. Stretches can help speed up healing and improve mobility. Do this stretch with a leg that has an Achilles tendon issue. Hold on to the railings of the staircase or ladder. Put the ball of your foot on the edge of the bottom step. Let your heel drop down, allowing your other foot to relax. Hold for 30 seconds. Complete 3 reps. If you have trouble balancing, do this exercise under the supervision of a healthcare professional. Number 5. Tiptoes. You can perform this exercise by following these steps. Stand on both feet with the leg straight. Use the uninjured leg to rise onto the tiptoes. Keeping both feet on the floor, transfer the weight across to the affected leg and lower down, using the good leg to help if necessary. Repeat. Aim for 3 sets of 15 repetitions, twice a day. If the exercise becomes too easy, a person can make it more difficult by bending the knees. Once they have mastered this, they can try performing the exercise on one leg at a time. Number 4. Bilateral heel drop. To do this great stretch that can stretch your Achilles in a wonderful way, you just need to stand on the edge of a stable raised platform, such as the bottom step of a staircase. Carefully adjust the position of the feet so that just the front half of each foot is on the step. It should be possible to move the heels up and down without them hitting the floor. Carefully rise onto the tiptoes, then lower both heels as far as possible. Repeat 20 times. Number 3. Calf stretch, Soleus. While standing and leaning against a wall or counter, place one foot back behind you and bend the front knee until a gentle stretch is felt on the back of the lower leg. Maintain a good upright posture. Your back knee should be bent the entire time with your heel on the ground. Hold for 30 seconds and 3 repetitions per side. Number 2. Calf stretch, Gastrocnemius. This is another variation of calf stretches. While standing and leaning against a wall or counter, Place one foot back behind you and bend the front knee until a gentle stretch is felt on the back of the lower leg. Maintain a good upright posture. Your back knee should be straight the entire time with your heel on the ground. Hold for 30 seconds and 3 repetitions per side. Number 1. Foot and ankle stretch with a strap. Place a strap, Pilates band, or belt around the bottom of your foot. Pull your toes, foot, and ankle upward toward your shin until you feel a stretch in the bottom of your foot and or your calf muscles. This stretch is best performed barefoot, but it can be performed with shoes on. Perform 1-2 minutes on each leg, 2 or 3 times a day. Achilles stretching tips. For optimal relief, stretch your Achilles tendon regularly. You should continue to stretch even when you don't feel stiff or sore. To get the most out of each stretch, keep these tips and tricks in mind. Take your time. Move slowly, whether you're deepening into a stretch or changing positions. This will limit the risk of injury and discomfort. Avoid bouncing. Quick, sudden movements will only worsen Achilles tendon issues. Stay relaxed during each stretch. Keep your heel down. During a calf stretch, plant your heel on the ground. If you lift your heel, the Achilles tendon won't stretch properly. Stop if you feel pain. Stretch until you feel minor discomfort, then relax. Don't strain or force your muscles. If you feel sharp pain, stop stretching immediately. Stretching is just one part of Achilles tendonitis recovery. Your doctor may also tell you to rest, apply ice packs, and wear heel lifts in your shoes. What can I do in the early stages? Rest. Rest gives the tendon time to heal and repair itself. It is important to limit painful activities. Ice massage can be done for 4-6 minutes, 3-4 times per day. After freezing water in a paper cup, peel off some of the paper so a chunk of ice is showing and rub the ice on the sides of the tendon. An ice pack can be used for 10 minutes, 3-4 times per day. Heel lifts. Use a heel lift in both shoes during the rest period. This will help decrease some of the stress on the tendon and allow it to calm down quicker. Stop if this causes pain. The Achilles tendon is the thick tendon above the heel that attaches the calf muscles to the heel bone. Activities such as walking, running, or jumping places stress on the tendon, which can lead to overuse, inflammation, and small tears. Symptoms can include pain, weakness, stiffness, and tenderness to the touch. Over time the tendon may become thickened, causing constant or recurring pain and stiffness. Following the steps we have mentioned in this video and doing these stretches will help you a lot in your healing process. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.